How is virtual reality changing the world? The impact of virtual reality in real-world circumstances has become more prominent than ever in today's age. Industries across geographical boundaries are leveraging virtual reality technologies to help operations become more efficient, cost-effective, lesser dependent on human intervention. With the help of VR technologies, revolutionary changes are now being introduced to several sectors. The efficacy of diagnostics in healthcare has increased substantially with the help of teleconsultation, telemedicine, virtual on-the-job training, remote analysis of medical reports. Window shopping has become even more enjoyable with the introduction of VR. Try on clothes virtually. Experience shopping with VR glasses. Virtual reality is making long strides in the construction field with the inclusion of remote supervision, virtual assistance to on-site engineers, virtual collaboration on projects, remote project phase planning. With virtual reality becoming an integral business move irrespective of the industry, the world can practically be seen in a different, tech-driven light.